Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Here's presenting a recipe of tikkis with a very special variety of traditional Assamese sticky rice, commonly known as Bora Saul, Sokua or Biranchal. This glutinous rice has an important role during Bihu celebrations where we make jolpan, which is served with yogurt and jaggery, and we also make the famous til pitha with this sticky rice. We have several varieties of rice available in Assam, but here I have just two varieties of rice to show you. One is called the Ronga Bora Saul or the red sticky rice, and the other one is Boga Bora Saul or the white sticky rice. Now let's proceed to making of the sticky rice tikkis or the Assamese Bora Saulor Bhoja Pithas. Here I have taken 2 cups of red sticky rice and soaked it overnight, and now I am going to wash the sticky rice several times and then drain out all the water and keep it aside. After the rice is drained, we carry it outside to where the dheki is placed. This dheki is an Assamese traditional tool made of wood for pounding rice and is mostly seen in the rural areas. During Bihu season, this dheki is used to pound rice because we need to make a lot of pithas. Usually the whole family gets involved in pounding the rice, and here we have Lisa, a 7-year-old, who's getting trained into how to use the tool along with her mom and her aunt who is helping her. Once the rice gets pounded, she slowly takes out the rice flour that is already done. As you can see that she's taking it out, but you really have to be careful when you put your hands in there because you have to go with the rhythm, otherwise there's going to be an accident. So now she's taken out the rice flour and putting in again more of the drained rice that was there. So that's getting pounded, and this side she's picking up the rice flour. There you can see she's picked it up and put it into a sieve. Now you can see that all the fine rice flour is in the bowl, and the coarse rice that's left behind goes back into the pounding tool again. So this way the process continues till all the rice has been pounded. As I don't have a dheki here, I'm going to use a mixer grinder where I have added the soaked and drained rice into it. Do not add any extra water. Close the lid and grind it to a fine powder. It has grounded very nicely, and I'm taking out into a bowl, and in this way, after I complete everything, I transferred this rice powder into a bigger bowl, and now I'm going to add in some turmeric powder, some salt, some ginger paste, and sliced onions, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, and chopped scallions. I usually like to add an excess of scallions and coriander leaves, and if you prefer you can also add red chili powder, which I didn't add into it. So we combine all the ingredients very well, as the onions, the coriander leaves and the scallions do release some water. As you can see, the sticky rice is already combined together. Now slowly we add in little water, taking care not to pour a lot of water into it, and slowly keep combining till it forms a dough. As you can see, the dough has formed and it's really kind of sticky. We mix this and keep it aside. Now we heat a pan or tawa and add some mustard oil into it. Now don't forget to add some mustard oil into your palm, as the dough is very sticky. Take a small dough into your hands and make a round, and then slowly flatten it into tikki shape. Spread the oil all over the tawa, and now we place the tikkis one at a time, taking care not to burn your fingers. And we slowly flatten the tikkis so that they are even. And I would suggest the beginners who are making this tikki, please do not put your hands into the hot oil or the hot tawa. The flame is in medium heat right now, and we flip it over after some time. So this process of flipping over and frying continues. Towards the end, you can reduce the flame to medium to low and let it cook very slowly till the desired color comes to it. Here they are almost done, and the sticky rice tikkis or the Bora Saulor Bhoja Pitha is all ready, and now you can take it out and heat more oil to continue the frying process of all the other Bhoja Pithas. Now you can serve these Bhoja Pithas with tamarind chutney, with chili pickle, or even with ulkosu asar. I hope you like the recipe. Please give it a try and do share with your friends and family. Requesting new viewers to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploaded new videos. Thank you for all your time, support and love. Please take care and be safe. Bye-bye.